As a lecturer, you finish a class and wonder were they actually paying attention. Paws answers that question. It turns any lecture recording into a detailed engagement report using computer vision and AI. So let's start with the demo. I select the video that I want from my desktop and I ask it for the analyze. So under the hood, the backend is running MediaPipe's face landmarker, and it's after extracting the landmarks, which are like eye aspects, mouse aspect ratio, and also head pose. We classify them into two modes, engaged or disengaged. We divide the video into several chunks so that we can analyze each part in parallel. Then we get to the timeline where we can see the video itself and also the timeline with the disengagements. For example, we can see that we had the disengagement here. I can turn on the landmarks. You can see these three people are looking away. That's why we classified it. And here you see the distraction events, which are significant, and some brief ones. So for example, let's go to the zoned out here. You can see this man is zoned out. These two are also, but since it was short, it doesn't have it as significant. Next part is the analytics, which show how the engagement changed during the session and also the time distribution and the times. And the report, it shows everything and also the peak moments. And finally the insight, it divides it into segments and it gives you an AI report. So we actually feed the audio also so it can know the context of what's happening. So there's also a teaching coach here. For example, you can ask it, when was the most risky moment and why did it happen? We'll wait for the result. We can see it gives a timeline. It was only 20% engagement. Topic was already set in, but it's about the topic. So it was about new hire announcement and anniversaries, and it didn't require active thinking, and it gives a solution for it. Next, you have the sessions for each lecture. I've uploaded a lot because of the tests. You can compare them based on the dates. You can see you had improvement or no, and in the dashboard you'll see a report of all of the lectures you had, how it was, and if it's improving or no, and if it gives a quick insight. We keep all the sessions different for lectures, so you can log in or log out here. I have a test session which includes all the things you saw now. When I sign in, I can see my own sessions and my own dashboard, so you can create different sessions and everything is persisted in the database.